Greetings, and welcome to our journey through the world of the vibrant scarlet cardinal, presented by Homeschool Oasis, a diminutive bird with a significant impact. Stay until the end to hear our own story about the cardinal. Their striking red plumage makes them impossible to overlook. The male cardinal boasts a vivid scarlet color, starkly contrasting with the female's more muted tones. These birds are widespread across the Americas, playing a vital role in various cultures. They symbolize hope, love, and fortune, resonating deeply with many. In certain Native American beliefs, cardinals are seen as spiritual messengers. Their brilliant colors and enchanting songs spread happiness to numerous admirers. Delve into the cardinal's world, where adaptability is key to their survival. These small, vibrant songbirds inhabit both North and South America. They prefer woodlands and gardens, thriving in densely vegetated areas. They build their nests in trees or shrubs, creating a secure environment for their young. Their melodious songs fill the air, active throughout the day. Cardinals are known for their social behavior, often forming lifelong partnerships. Their diet consists primarily of seeds, with insects and fruits providing additional nourishment. They are non-migratory, staying in the same region year-round. Cardinals occupy a cherished spot in many hearts. They are frequently linked with themes of love, hope, and remembrance, and are often thought to be spiritual messengers, providing solace and reassurance during times of loss. There are numerous accounts of cardinals appearing when sorrow or loss occurs. Many report sightings of cardinals following the death of a loved one, interpreting these visits as signs that their spirits linger on. The cardinal's striking colors, melodious songs, and symbolic meanings of hope and love have endeared it to many cultures. These birds enhance our gardens and remind us of the natural world's beauty and wonder. Seen as either beautiful creatures or spiritual messengers, cardinals hold a unique place in our affections. Those were some fascinating facts about this bird. Have you ever seen a cardinal near your home? Have you ever heard how it may be a loved one? I'd love to hear your story. Their lasting appeal stems from their ability to connect us with nature and the memories of loved ones. The cardinal is beautiful and very interesting. I have my own story about these wonderful birds. I was a young child in a new place, taking a hike, and I became very afraid and did not want to travel ahead with my family. Instead, I stood in fear as my eyes welled up in tears, frozen. As my mom came to ask what was wrong and why I had become afraid, two cardinals flew out of the dense hiking trail right in front of me and landed on the trail for a moment, and then went on to the other side of the forest. Almost like they had passed by at that exact moment to tell me not to be afraid. We are here watching. You are safe. I immediately felt better and my fear began to fade away. Well, there is one story I have of the cardinal. Your support helps us bring more such wonderful stories from the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed learning about the cardinal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.